So hello and welcome back to the channel. So in today's quick unboxing video, let's take a look at this MINECART from Hot Wheels, which is a collaboration with Minecraft. And this is a really unique casting. So let's first uncard this and we'll get the close-up review next. Alright, so here we have the casting out of the blister. This looks really out of place for a Hot Wheels. It doesn't even look like a Hot Wheels unless you flip it and you can see the Hot Wheels flame logo on the base of this casting. Speaking about this particular casting, it is a really good depiction of the minecart which is in the Minecraft game itself, with these pixelated textures on all sides of the casting. And by the way, I think the body of this casting is entirely plastic. The base is the only metal part here, and the wheels are these tiny open hole 5-spoke wheels, and inside the casting we get this squishy mesh. I think you can put some model inside this. I am a really big fan of Minecraft, so I just really wanted to have this casting. There you have it. This is the minecart from Hot Wheels. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below and subscribe to the channel for more diecast videos. Thank you.